If you want to change the time format in Discord, whether you prefer a simple 12-hour clock or a cleaner 24-hour format, you can do it in just a few seconds on the Discord PC app. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps so you can update your Discord time display easily and have it take effect right away. If this guide helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Discord tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, open the Discord desktop app on your PC. Once Discord is open, look at the bottom left corner of the screen and click the settings icon. This is the gear icon that takes you into your user settings area. After that, you'll see a menu on the left side of the settings page. Scroll through that menu and click on Language and Time. This is where Discord lets you control your region and time display preferences. Once you're inside this section, you'll see the time format options available to you. Discord usually gives you three choices: Auto, 12-hour, and 24-hour format. If you want Discord to decide based on your system or region settings, choose Auto. If you want the traditional clock with AM and PM, choose 12-hour. And if you prefer a military-style clock with no AM or PM, select 24-hour. Just click the option you want, and that's it. The change will take effect immediately, so you do not need to save anything or restart the app. You can go right back to your chats and see the updated time format reflected in Discord right away. This is especially helpful if you're trying to match your local time, keep things consistent with your workflow, or simply make Discord easier to read at a glance. So to recap, open Discord, click the settings icon, go to Language and Time, and choose Auto, 12-hour, or 24-hour. It's a very fast setting to change, but it can make a big difference in how comfortable Discord feels to use every day. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful Discord tips, and I'll see you in the next one.